Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Thina Singozungu. Now guys, hey bo Annabelle is really stressing ugogo. Ugogo une-worry about umzukulu wakhe dreaming about Onoduli guys. So anyway, Uzama, this episode starts off with Uzama. She goes and see ugogo, who is the mother of Uthina. She goes and see her umbizile ugogo, and when she gets there, ugogo's like, listen, mina nomkhulu, after you guys had left the last time you guys were here, sike sayixoxa le ndaba kamzukulu of uSmanga dreaming onodoli, and we think ukuthi unesilwane uSmanga unesilwane that is esiphilayo ngaphakathi kwakhe, and that is bothering him. So she is saying ukuthi, she's speaking nomakoti wakhe woman to woman ukuthi abayohlola, or they must get some sort of spiritual help that is going to help lengane uSmanga. If not, the child is going to end up getting sick. Now Uzama guys, Thina, they don't believe in such things. Amakholwa, they don't believe in tampering or going to consult for such things. What I liked about Uzama did stand her ground in a respectful way and said, hey ma, uyasazi ukuthi vele thina asikholelwa ezintweni ezinjena. Me and Uthina, we made a decision ukuthi we're going to see a therapist. Bengsengibookile, I just need to go and see the therapist. She did say it in a respectful way, and I love the relationship that these two have, because no mama Zala, even though Uzama was not taking what she was saying, she was not enforcing it on her, and she did not take offense to the fact that Uzama was disagreeing or Uzama's not taking advice. But later on in the episode, we see Uzama, guys, she wakes up Exeni, and she's not okay. And she says this conversation that she had no gogo is not making her okay. And it just made me realize, guys, if wakulelwa yingane, maybe you will understand certain things, right? Because Uzama says this conversation she had no gogo, it's bothering her. It's bothering her, and she feels like usempini in some sorts, because even though she doesn't believe she doesn't believe in these things of consulting, she's worried about the well-being of her son. And I've heard from some people, guys, that sometimes you think of these things with if something happens with am I not going to blame myself? Maybe mhlambe angiye or something like that. So it seemed like Uzama, she was in a conflicting place where it's against her beliefs, but because she wants to help out her son so much, it's almost as if this thing is tempting her. Yokuthi akavedane ayo consult. USmanga at the moment, he isn't sick according to my knowledge, or at least from what we were watching, he's not sick. So I don't know what's putting Uzama in that sort of position. Maybe when you are a mother, maybe I don't know, but I just really hope Uzama does really stand her ground and she sticks to what she believes in. At the end of the day, guys, you don't want to end up doing stuff that you don't believe in and inviting other things ongazazi. Vele Uzama says ukuthi akakhulanga nezinto ezinjalo, so she must not start it now. If she believes in prayer, let her stick to prayer. And yeah, that's all I can say concerning that. Now, okay, guys, uNokuzana, Striker decides to call Utumbo. He decides to invite Utumbo, and they go on some boxing activity. Striker is going to have a conversation with Tumbo, because the last time they had some sort of dinner at Uthina's house, things did not end well. So Striker is trying to explain that to Yazini, the reason why I called you here is because the last time we left Uthina's house, we were not fine and whatnot. Utumbo's like, no, umfazi wakho she was on my case. Now the thing comes up again. Ustrike uzama ukuchaza ukuthi no, it was not that ukuthi bengimjaja umzo or bengimjaja Dr. Kehlelezi. It's just that, like, indlela ayithathe ngayo, maybe uyithathe ngenye indlela. As Utumbo's trying to explain to him ukuthi no, indlela oyibeke ngayo is the one that's not right. Striker did not want to listen to anything. He did not even want to give Utumbo an opportunity to speak. And obviously, if you're doing that, what is that telling us? That's telling us ukuthi wena awunayo indlebe. You can't give another person an opportunity to speak and speak their perspective on things. I think that's the only thing that I did not like. It's okay to have your own opinions and your own beliefs, guys. But at this point, I feel like this thing has went on for too long. I just feel like Striker just needs to apologize and stop defending himself. Just apologize for the way it came out, the way the way it was received. Even though you are still going to stick to what you believe and you feel like it was right, just apologize for the way it landed to the next person. But listen, that conversation between Striker and Uchumbo, I feel like it made things worse because Uchumbo kind of felt like Striker agezwa, and Uchumbo kept saying, "Ukuthi no, inkinga yakho wena Striker, ukuthi wena awukwazi ukuphilisana nabantu. That's your problem." Dr. Kehlelezi benothina yintanga zakho, you must learn uphilisana nabo. And I'm just like, this conversation shouldn't have been had because Striker's his emotions are up there. Uchumbo's emotions as well. He's annoyed. I'm just like, Striker, just apologize. Udlule kulento uthule nje. Now the thing is that Ulokuzana, Dr. Kehlelezi, was having some sort of lunch or something like that, and he decided to extend the invite to Jumbo and Dr. Kehlelezi. So Jumbo decides to extend the invite and tells Striker, because they were in the same place, Pela, Dr. Kehlelezi invited us for something, so I'm telling you as well, you must come. Come the day where they need to go there. Ulokuzana, Striker decides to go to Dr. Kehlelezi's place, going with Ubani, with Utina, because obviously he doesn't know what Dr. Kehlelezi, Tell me why, guys. Ukuthi the day where melokhanganwe ngakhona Dr. Kehlelezi decides ukuthi he's going to wait for his guest endumbeni yakhe, or on the spiritual side of the yard, where, as he said in his own words, la kuthabathelwa khona. I just feel like Dr. Kehlelezi was ingati, like I feel like he is, what is the word? He's doing things on purpose. It's like he is provoking them on purpose. Guys, if you have a friend and you know what you wear nomganako nineenkolo ezingafani, right? Why would you bring your friend to a place where it's an altar, la nihlabela imbuzi, or animals there? Why would you bring your friend to that place and you know what your friend disagrees with those things? Because they could have easily met up at Dr. Kehlelezi's house inside of the mansion. Why did he choose that? I feel like he was doing it on purpose to show either us as the public, or either to show people who would say, milana wule friendship. Anyway, maybe I feel like lapayana utina. He's confused because he sees Dr. Kehlelezi. He's not confused, but he makes a comment on Dr. Kehlelezi's bodyguard. He's like, mina ngazi ukuthi why umzovele enamabodyguard, because yena he goes ezindlini zabantu ayobethelela so that there's safety. Kodwa yena ke uthahamba nama-powers, or nama-powers. Why don't these powers protect him? Why does he need bodyguards with guns? Anyway, so when Utina and Ulokuzana get there, Striker get them, Dr. Kehlelezi manje sekavusa enye indaba. Indaba yokuthi phela there's this singer, guys, uFikile. That's so the one that sings that's so Noma Bunje or something like that. But the most of us, we grew up listening to him. So Utina and Ufigile, they used to be close. Manje abasazwani, or they no longer close. Ufigile akakale intombazana ukuthi phela ngisazwani uThina in kanti le ntombazana the girl she's telling is Ulokuzana, Dr. Kehlelezi's assistant. This assistant goes and tell Dr. Kehlelezi. Manje Dr. Kehlelezi, when Utina gets there, he decides to phone Ufigile and speaks lendaba. So according to what I've gathered, it looks like we all know guys, Ufigile, she was sick at some point and then she went for an operation, but we saw Uti we saw in the newspaper which she was in a wheelchair or something like that. So apparently they were gathering money for her. So Utina angazi ukuthi he said ukuthi uFikile she must use the money or something like that, but it has something to do with money, and now abasazwani. Otu Dr. Kehlelezi, he's not calling to make peace between these people. He's calling to laugh at the matter. I'm like, what is so funny about that? ingathi like uzoxabanisa abantu. After that conversation, Dr. Kekelezi says, okay, fine, asambenge siyongena. Let's go and see endumbeni yami esigodlweni. Yeah, he says ukuthi asambeni siyongena esigodlweni sami because angeke ngikwazi ukuxoxa simile lana. It's disrespectful to abantu abadala. Manje-ke uStrikers like mina ngiyaxolisa angikaze nje ngingene esigodlweni and ngeke ngiqalise nje ukungena esigodlweni ngimngaka ngisengilikhehla ngiyaxolisa bandla. uDr. Kehlezi just says ukuthi uyayibona lempi isaqhubeka. I'm just like, so just because uStriker akafuna ukungena endumbeni yakho, whatever you call it, now kusho ukuthi he's declaring war. I'm like, nah. I feel like uDr. Kehlezi is I don't want to say he's ruining Utina's reputation, but he's not being considerate as a friend. Guys, the production, the camera is there. Abazalwane bazothini mebebona uThina ayongena esigodlweni nokhuzana nomzo. What are they gonna say? Umzo's not worried about that. That's what I'm saying. As a friend, if you know that you and your other friend has different beliefs, you're going to respect certain things. I can't say, nah, I don't like snakes, and then when I come visit you, you intentionally make sure there's snakes. What are you doing? Do you understand what I'm saying? So I just feel like Dr. Kekelezi, he's on a mission, and I feel like Utina has not seen it yet, but when he opens his eyes, he's gonna be shocked, because I'm like, nah, don't do that to your friends. You know ukuthi this gospel thing Utina uphila ngayo, but yet you are doing things that you know ukuthi zizomvusela inkulumo amongst abazalwane. Anyway, guys, that's where the episode ends, and I'm just like, at this point, it just looks like Dr. Kehlezi Ben was Striker or carrying this show in it drama yabo. Anyway, guys, you tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys on the next one.